Yo guys, what's up? Your guys back, and today we're talking about the iPhone SE2, and this is the next budget iPhone. This is what Apple's call. This is a budget smartphone, but in what manner do you see it is a budget smartphone? It will be costing around 400 to 500 US dollars, and they say this is a budget smartphone. In this price range, we can buy OnePlus 5T and a used flagship from Samsung and other brands. So in what manner they say that it is a budget smartphone? They just want you to pay them. Okay, they just want to increase their profit. This is what Apple is all about. So talking about the phone, it will be powered by Apple's A10 Fusion chipset, and this is a chipset we found on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, and which is an upgrade from the previous iPhone SE, which has Apple's A9 chipset. There are rumors that we are hearing that Apple's iPhone SE2 won't be coming with an headphone jack. As you guys know that Apple is completely done with this thing, and we don't find any headphone jack on their main smartphones. So there are more chances that we won't see a headphone on this smartphone. There is a live video leaked about this smartphone, and in this video you can see there is a notch on top of the device, but the current rumor says it won't having a notch. So we will see at its launch event that what this device has to offer, how does it look. Leaks also tell that there will be a touch ID on the smartphone instead of facial ID recognition, which we find on the iPhone X. And these leaks also tell that there won't be a notch in the smartphone. So there are chances that we see it won't be coming with a notch as we see on the Apple's iPhone X. There is a chance that new iPhone SE2 will have a glass back with wireless charging port as hinted in the leaks. According to a rumor, this device will launch in May. So we'll see next month what this device has to offer and what are the changes or upgrades we are getting from its predecessor. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you know anything about this smartphone, sound off in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.